Hello, my name is Linh Đan, and today I will tell you about the book Natural Things, written by Kira Fried. Focus question: how does being stinky help plants and animals? Stinky nature. If you ever smelled a skunk, you know it is not a nice odor. In fact, it's terrible. Do you know that both plants and animals can smell bad? Stinky plants usually smell bad to attract insects that help them reproduce. Animals give off odors to attract mates and keep other animals away. Whether plant or animal, nature's smelliest living things use odors to help them survive. Stinky furry animals. Skunks are probably the most famous smelly animals. They use their odor to keep enemies away. When an enemy gets near, a skunk grows and stomps its feet. If that doesn't scare the enemy away, look out! The skunk leaves its toe and separates the terrible smelling liquid. The liquid shoots out from the area near the base of its toe. Striped polecats may smell even worse than their skunk cousins. A striped porous cat spray can cause burning pain. Skunks and striped porous cats aren't the only stinky furry animals. The lizard anteater is 4 times stinkier than a skunk. It too shoots a smelly liquid from the area near the base of its toe. Then there's a opossum. An opossum will pretend to be dead, called playing possum. If an enemy is near, it stays still and releases stinky green smile. A smelly liquid marks the spot where a Wally has been. The Wally, a nasty cat, also pees or saved food before eating it. The smell helps the Wolverine find the word later and keeps other animals from eating it. The release of scent can be warning as well. Male musk oxen fight each other to mate with females. Males use the sticky urine to tell other males to keep away. The urine sticks to their long belly hair and makes them smell terrible. Stinky plants. The corpuscle flower is the world's smelliest flower. This plant smells like rotting flesh. The plant's disgusting smell burrowing flies and beetles that eat rotting animals. The insect visitors don't find the food they are looking for, but they pick up pollen. When the insects visit other crops or flowers, they spread the pollen and help crops flowers reproduce. These flowers also make their own heat and steam to help the odor spread far and wide. The sticking root process doesn't smell like rotting flesh. It smells like poop. This African plant and pleasant smell comes from inside its flower. The smell brings dung beetles, which pollinate it. Dung is another word for pop. Dung beetles love dung. Sticky birds. The watson is the real name for sticky bird. This bird mainly eats leaves. The food breaks down in a bird's crop. The area under is toad before reaching its stomach. This way of eating makes the watson smell awful. Vultures are used for bad orders. After all, their diet consists of sticky flesh of dead animals. When an enemy is near, vultures throw up. The stuff they vomit is extra nasty. It contains rotten meat and stomach acid strong enough to cause burns. Sticky bugs. Some bugs also use oil to stay safe. The bombardier beetle can't fly to escape the enemies, so it has a strong weapon. It can release a hot cloud of sticky, flibbly flame. It's hot enough to kill many enemies and burn humans. What millipedes lack in speed, they made up for instinct. Millipedes can't move fast, so they need a different way to stay safe. If the enemy comes near, they crawl out and give off a stinky liquid. Some living rodents even stretch the smelly stuff. On sticky animals, the common musk turtle has another name, sting pot. It smells bad when other animals disturb it. A stinky yellow liquid comes out of the back of its body. The mink frog uses scents to keep enemies away as well. Its sting has been compared to rotten onion. It gives out this nasty mouth to stay safe for other animals. Protecting the nest. The green woodhobby lives in Africa south of Sahara Desert. The female uses oil to protect her nest. She sprays a dark sting liquid to keep enemies away. Good and sticky. Being stinky helps many plants and animals stay alive. For plants, the odor brings insects that help them reproduce. For animals, the odor often helps keep enemies away. It can also help an animal eat food or get mates. Sticky, steam, prey, vomit, slime, and odor are some of nature's smelly ways of helping living things survive. Connection, writing, and art. Which animal from this book do you find most interesting? Why? Draw a picture and write several sentences about it. Science. Compare and contrast two animals from this book. Make a list of how these animals are alike and how they are different. Share your list with your partner. The end. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.